Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, March 5, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, March 5, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong March 5, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, March 5, 2024. Here are the tomorrow's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, Ultra Lotto 658 for March 5, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, March 5, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.